And we are getting into a global recession because of that war. So that war should be, should lead to negotiations and a ceasefire so that, life can come back to normality and the production in the global economy can come back to normal. Otherwise, the poorest countries will be hit more like now. And life has become expensive for many citizens in the world and in many countries. So you can see already people are feeling it in all countries. People are complaining. The cost of living has shot up, and the genesis is because of the sanctions on Russia, which has disrupted the energy supply in the world. And therefore, even countries like Zambia, which are not involved in the conflict, are feeling the pinch of those sanctions.